Hey everyone, welcome back to our APIGURU channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Damien Thorne here. On this channel we share everything you need to know about APIs. Today we are diving into how to build a world-class developer portal and drive API adoption. So let's get started. APIs are the foundation of digital ecosystems. To create a thriving ecosystem, you must focus on the developer experience. The first step is to build great APIs. After that, it's all about engaging developers and encouraging them to use your APIs. A fantastic developer experience requires exceptional API products, an engaging developer portal, and effective developer enablement. Design your APIs with the developer in mind, prioritize fast delivery, and commit to continuous iteration based on feedback. A well-designed storefront for your API products is essential for driving adoption. Plus, developers need the right resources and support to thrive. Now let's talk about your developer portal. It should serve more than just developers. It's also a valuable platform for product managers, technical leads, and operations specialists. Identify the personas who will use the portal, understand their needs, and make sure the portal addresses all of them. This way you can maximize the impact and the reach of your API offerings. Deliver a uniquely branded experience to partners and developers. Your developer portal should align seamlessly with your company's brand identity. Instead of reinventing the brand, adjust the orientation to focus on your target audience. Adhere to your brand style guide and digital theme, including button styles, colors, fonts, logos, and header and footer designs. Ensure that page load times are no more than 1 to 2 seconds for optimal user experience. Additionally, if the developer portal is publicly accessible, ensure the design is responsive to provide a seamless experience across devices. Look at ABN AMRO Bank. They have one of the best developer portals, showcasing strong brand alignment. Headquartered in Amsterdam, this bank stands out with its exceptional user experience. Other great examples include developer portals from T-Mobile, Stripe, DHL, and Humana. Make the value proposition the central focus of your developer portal, clearly indicating who the APIs are designed for. Incorporate relevant use cases for your APIs. Ensure that getting started is straightforward, providing clear steps that guide users from initial setup to production. Highlight featured APIs, products, and services prominently. Place this content on the homepage, as scrolling is often easier for users than navigating through multiple clicks. Change Healthcare's developer portal is a good example. It effectively defines its target user segment and purpose. As users scroll down, they encounter 4 key benefits, followed by well-articulated use cases that showcase featured APIs and the unique advantages of Change Healthcare's data and services. Guide your target audience to specific content by creating distinct entry points for decision makers and developers. KBC is an excellent example, with its developer portal featuring a dedicated call to action that directs users to tailored content for each audience. This approach ensures the right information is easily accessible to the relevant stakeholders. Keep your navigation simple and intuitive. Position the logo on the left and the login option on the right for easy access. Include a support help menu to assist users and an API product docs menu for quick reference. If necessary, add a search function to facilitate content discovery. Provide a language country selection menu to accommodate diverse users if applicable. Include a register/sign-up option if needed. Consider locking the main navigation when scrolling to enhance usability. Additionally, please exercise caution when embedding the developer site within your main corporate website, as the content may not resonate with a different audience and could dilute its value. Streamline the developer registration process by only requesting essential information. Provide helpful hints throughout the form and use colors to indicate the impact of users' choices visually. Additionally, ensure that navigation back to the homepage is straightforward, allowing users to return quickly if needed. For example, Equifax positions its logo on the left, allowing users to navigate back to the homepage with a single click effortlessly. Define different audience types and their corresponding access levels to ensure a tailored experience. Build a unified portal that serves all developers while managing audience segmentation to grant access to restricted pages and API products as needed. Consider creating an open or partially accessible developer portal to attract organic traffic. Additionally, utilize the same developer portal for sandbox and production APIs to streamline the user experience and reduce complexity. ABN AMRO Bank's developer portal is an excellent example of an open developer portal. All information, including technical specifications, is publicly accessible, fostering transparency and engagement. However, API access is restricted and requires registration. The Fortellis developer portal exemplifies a partly open approach. Users can access some documentation, while additional resources require registration. It offers partner-specific information, providing an incentive for users to sign up. The portal also prioritizes support resources, although API access remains restricted and requires a registration. The T-Mobile developer portal is a prime example of a closed developer portal. Access is limited to registration, login, and contact information, with all other features available by invitation only for partners. Ensure that API product and specification page URLs are unique and user-friendly to optimize the developer portal for search engines. Create a sitemap and include it in the footer menu for easy access. Utilize canonical tags for better indexing. Implement alt tags for images to enhance accessibility and SEO. Additionally, ensure that site access is SEO-friendly to improve visibility and search rankings. Make it easy to call your APIs. Automatically approve accounts and allow access to low-risk APIs in sandbox environments to get developers productive immediately. Meet developers' expectations when working with APIs by ensuring they can understand the API's functionality within 5 seconds, send a test request within 5 minutes, and build a minimum viable product within 5 days. Streamlining these processes enhances the developer experience and fosters quicker adoption. If your developer portal features more than 30 APIs, offering search and filter functions is essential. Implement reactive search results to enhance usability and ensure APIs are named intelligibly for easy identification. Use icons and visual markers thoughtfully to aid navigation and comprehension and concisely describe each API. While search functionality is essential, it may not be the primary focus for smaller developer portals. Categorization and filtering should be prioritized first. Catalog your APIs using terminology and key use cases relevant to your business model and apply a tag and metadata approach to improve the organization. The Fortellis developer portal exemplifies these principles, effectively making search and filter functions fast and efficient for API discovery. Prioritize helping users find the right API easily. The Coles developer portal is an excellent example as it organizes APIs into core commerce use cases, making it intuitive for partners to browse and discover relevant solutions. DHL is another excellent example. It allows users to select APIs across multiple categories, including service, business unit, geography, and release status. This thoughtful organization enhances the user experience by making it easier to find the right API. Leverage the developer portal to educate, inspire, and motivate your target audience. Utilize conceptual documentation, guides, and tutorials to provide valuable education. Incorporate use cases and case studies to inspire users and demonstrate the practical applications of your APIs. To motivate and enable quick wins, offer code snippets, examples, SDKs, and access to a sandbox environment. Ensure these resources are available in the programming languages your users require. Utilize various content to educate your audience at different levels of knowledge, ranging from general to specific. Incorporate case studies, use cases, and videos to engage users and cater to their diverse learning needs. Utilize the OpenAPI specification, a standard format for describing RESTful APIs to enhance readability and understanding for developers and machines. Ensure your endpoints are well-defined and well-worded to facilitate seamless integration and usage. Consider using smart docs to create fully interactive documentation that enhances the learning experience for your APIs. This allows users to send live requests and view real-time responses, making it easier to understand your APIs. Additionally, employ default settings that work. Many developer portals require users to navigate complex settings before successfully making the first API call, which can be frustrating. Ensure easy access to obtain API keys and access tokens without any barriers that could hinder the experience of trying out your APIs. Developers should be able to quickly and effortlessly get the API key and access token necessary for making API calls. I've encountered many developer portals where obtaining the API key is straightforward, but acquiring the access token is unnecessarily complicated. Streamlining both processes will enhance user satisfaction and encourage more engagement with your APIs. Publish dashboards to inform developers about key updates, including release notes and API performance metrics such as response time, uptime, and downtime. Additionally, allow your audience to sign up for notifications to stay updated on significant changes and enhancements. This proactive approach fosters transparency and helps developers make informed decisions using your APIs. Foster a vibrant community through blogs, forums, and FAQs to enhance engagement and boost extrinsic motivation. Structure the engagement levels to encourage participation and reward active users for recognizing their contributions. If your FAQ section becomes too extensive, consider breaking it into smaller, more focused categories to improve navigation and user experience. Offer various support options and ensure that selecting the right one is straightforward for users. Categorize each option and provide clear descriptions to guide users in making informed choices based on their needs. Utilize support categories to streamline the triage process. This will make it easier for users to prioritize requests and improve the overall efficiency of your support system. A developer engagement dashboard can provide valuable insights into API adoption and usage. This tool helps you identify usage patterns, enabling API teams to understand how developers interact with the APIs and identify areas for enhancing the overall developer experience. By implementing all these recommendations, you can create a world-class developer portal that drives API adoption and enhances user engagement. Remember, a single developer always has the potential to work on the next big thing. We need a way to reach them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and let me know what you think or if you have any questions in the comments. Look out for our next video in which we will share best practices for managing and building outstanding API products.